that's actually on the ground is very different from what we watch.
Well, the Autobots have rolled out here in Singapore for the Lion City's first world premiere for the Hollywood blockbuster. Crowds of fans flocked to Marina Bay Sands to catch the cast of Transformers: Rise of the Beasts. Sherry Look brings us the highlights.
They are rolling out with glitz and glam, the cast finally appearing after a brief delay from an earlier passing shower. Many fans had been waiting to catch a glimpse since early afternoon.
We're excited to see the stars over here and also looking forward to the movie as well.
For this movie, Transformers, it's been 5 years because previous is Michael Bay, now it's Steven Spielberg for the new generation.
Anthony Ramos, big fan of him ever since Hamilton came out, so excited to see him in a new film. It's definitely like something he's never done before.
One lucky fan even got to follow them into the theatre. His masterpiece won first place at the fan creation contest.
When I heard about it, it was like a million emotions going through me, like in the span of a few seconds. And I've immediately phoned everyone that I know of, that I love of, to tell them about this, because I mean it's Transformers and I've been a fan since I was a kid.
Those who didn't get to rub shoulders with the cast can still get a chance to meet one of the stars of the show. This is Mirage. He's a 4.5 meter tall Autobot and he'll be stationed here at the Marina Bay Sands until 28th May. You can take selfies of him, but you might have to stretch a bit to fit in the frame. People who lingered a little longer got to watch this pyrotechnic extravaganza that illuminated the bay. It's a spectacle that took host Marina Bay Sands 3 months to put together.
It really does, I think, shine a light of the global entertainment industry here on Singapore. They really get to see what we as a venue are capable of, and also what Singapore is capable of. So it bring these sort of stars and directors and producers into town allows us to engage with the community here in Singapore.
They're also hoping the premiere will draw more customers back to the mall, which is just recovering its footfall.
Well, that is Singapore Tonight. Don't forget your headlines anytime.